Riley has our weather impact forecast. So nice now, warming up a bit though, right?
We are. Next week, it's going to feel a lot more like June. Not so much this week. We have one day, in fact, where we're going to drop down to 89. That happens on Friday. Today, we hit 96 degrees, which is 3 degrees below average. It's only 88 out in Lake Havasu. A windy day out there, and you can expect these winds to continue. Here's a look at tomorrow. Up in the mountains, those winds peaking at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We also will have gusts over 40 for sure, and over the lower deserts, 20 to 30 mile-per-hour gusts. Very similar to today. It's going to be tough to escape the wind. The red flag warning for northern Arizona has been extended into tomorrow. So we had one today. We have another one tomorrow. Gusts in those areas could reach up to 45 miles per hour with relative humidities right around 10%. But it's not the only spot that has this elevated risk. Much of the rim country and even the valley, Phoenix area, that's an elevated fire risk for tomorrow, extending down through Gila County, Graham County, Tucson as well. So that's due to the fact that it's been so dry, and now we're seeing the winds and the low relative humidity. Check this out. The next few days significantly below average by 6 degrees tomorrow, 10 degrees below average on Friday with a high of 89. But then we're average at 100 on Sunday, and we're going to see a lot of plus signs next week with temperatures getting into the 105 range for several days. You'll notice the wind tomorrow, Show Low, Flagstaff, and up toward Kingman, and even breezy conditions over the lower deserts. Mid 80s in Globe tomorrow, upper 80s in Lake Havasu, and after Friday, a steep climb in the temperature department. We're back to 105 next Tuesday and Wednesday. We stay in the triple digits into the first week of the month. However, parts of eastern Arizona could see above average precipitation the closer we get toward June 10th. Right now, we're only 19 days away from the start of the monsoon season on June 15th. And for the season itself, we are looking at a 40 to 50% chance for above average temperatures and a 30 to 40% chance that we'll see above average precipitation across most of the state. So here's a look at our Flagstaff 7-day, and we'll have the wind to contend with the high fire risk the next 2 days. Next week's warmer, down to 89 in the valley on Friday, but we quickly jump back to 100 Sunday and 105 next week. Cam?
Thanks a lot, Lindsay. Coming up next is sports.